Hello folks, today I'm here with a new video. I'm gonna let you know everything about the WeChat, how it works. It's a Chinese app and there are billions of users using this Chinese app, and there are a lot of features including the chat options and payments. That is most important. You can link a bank card and pay from your WeChat, and you don't need to carry a lot of cash. So it is very convenient if you are in China or if you are out of China as well. If you need to contact most of the Chinese people and the foreigners living in China, they use this WeChat app to pay money everywhere. If you go to the market, then of course you will find every person with a QR code there. And this WeChat, you can just scan a QR code and then you can pay money to any shopkeeper anywhere. You got a ticket, you got a plan, you got a train, whatsoever. So first of all, you need to go to this Play Store, and here you type WeChat. I have already downloaded because I'm in China. I use it. I don't need to update. So this is my WeChat here, and this is here, right? So these are the chats. There are so many chats here. I don't want to reveal my identity or everything and what I talk to them. These are the groups, and you can first, you see at the top there are 109. These are the sticked chats outside, like above. You can read messages from them. So first is contacts. You can just scroll down, see your contacts, and you can see the first thing is new friends, and then chat and group chat and tags. And the important thing is this is in both in English and in Chinese as well. So you can use any version. You can change the language as well. It has different languages, so of course I need to use this one in Chinese. In discover section, you can discover some movements, channels, lives, scans, or if you shake your mobile phone like this one, and you will see that there are people around and you can contact with them. And nearby option, if you click this one, you can see some people around, like this one. This is live, and here you can search some people nearby. These are the people you can add friend and talk to them. And this is about nearby. Now, most important is here on me section. This is my profile, and if you go to services, I'm gonna do this one. That's my thing. And here there are two things: money, okay, that's a QR code. I can receive money. For example, I have another one just for this demo. You can see this QR code, and I scan from the other QR code, and then I'll let you know how can you just do it. So for that, for scanning, you just need to first go there, go to scan option, and you see how you can see my things there. Everything is messed up. So you can scan here. I'm gonna do these kind of things. Gonna scan. So first, my QR code would be here. You just go to plus icon, here money, and receive money. If you want to receive, then receive. If you want to send, then you can also send. So how it works, just go to plus icon. I'm gonna open my QR code here. My QR code, that's okay. Now I'm gonna scanned, okay. And this is to add somebody, but if you want to pay, just directly go to, for example, I type another WeChat here, and if I pay here, for example, I send money to this person, and transfer, for example, 1 renminbi I'm gonna transfer. Okay, here I need to give the security code. All right, okay, done. That's transferred, and I can show you here on my other place. I can get this WeChat money there. I got a message here. You can see I received this one. I opened And yeah, this is receive button. I received, and boom, done. You can see that it's already received here. So I sent 1 renminbi. This is one thing. Now go to me section, services, and here there are cards linked with this one. So first is wallet. You can check your balance here. On my WeChat it's nothing, and I have 2 cards linked with this WeChat, and I can have these money from directly from those cards instead of keeping them on this one. And you can also withdraw money here. For example, I want to take some money on my WeChat. So how it works, money, and okay, this one to send or receive, our wallet, and balance, and top up. Top up is I have linked these 2 cards and I top up like 10 renminbi. Okay, so here we go. Look, I finished, and now go to balance. It shows at the top right corner, wallet, it has 10 renminbi. Now go to card pay. This card pay, not this one. You go to this mobile pay, and here you can just recharge your mobile phone, any device, any number. You just recharge and use internet or mobile devices or whatsoever you do. And here there are so many other functions. You can also pay utility bills, for example gas, electricity, and everything. And here in other places you can get a flight or a train. That's quite easy. For example, you're gonna go to Shanghai to Beijing on this date. I'm gonna choose 30, search a ticket, and there are so many trains. You can just book a ticket easily. And the other thing is about these things, like so many other things you can see. You can use all those things. And in China, of course, like there are health codes as well, so you can use those health codes that are linked with the WeChat as well. In movements, you can see these are my movements, same as we upload on Facebook, but here only we can see that whom we gonna access. Like it's a privacy, only friends can see. And here in cards and offers, you can link some bus cards and metro cards and other cards. Or maybe you can link it with the AliPay and pay buses instead of cash. You can directly pay seat and scan a QR code and just go for it. And in setting area, you can do setting according to your own things, whatever you like. And in services, there are so many things, as I told you before. And now discover, I already discussed. And right now in services, if we go back, then you will see that receive, send money is one thing, and I already shown you that here you can transfer, and you can transfer up to 50,000 like this one. And it also has some sticker galleries. For example, I just want to send some stickers here. That's very nice. Oh, boom, it will show like this one. And you just swipe down, you will see there, these are the QR codes, health codes number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the health codes. The other one is a job app, and these are called mini programs. You can pin the mini programs at the top of this one, so that you can easily use anything. And here this deer you see, that's for online food. You can order food from this place as well. So it's quite convenient. You can buy anything, not only food. There are so many products on this app, but unfortunately this program linked with the WeChat is anywhere, it's in Chinese. And you can open KFC as well, like KFC. I type here, and that's okay. You can use like burgers, KFC, everything you like. It would be in Chinese, but you can enjoy KFCs here as well. And other programs are health codes and buses and like other information, whatever you need. And in this me section, in setting account, you can check and make the text bigger or smaller. that's quite okay. And you can also, like, the most important is chat option. That is very convenient. These are voice notes. You just hold it. Hello, how are you? Okay, it's sent. And there is another nice option. Hello, how are you? I translate it in English. Look, it is already translated. And then I can also use text messages. Hello, nice meeting you. Yeah, okay, this is there. So this kind of options, and you can use a lot of different stickers as well. As I like these babies, you can use these stickers. That's very nice. And also send, there is called hanbao. Here you can share files as well. That's very important. For example, reading comprehension, I'm sending this file. That's very easy. And you can also send audios, videos, and files, and music, and contact cards, and these things. And others are red packet. That is, again, you can send this red packet. This is a small gift. You can send it up to $100 a day. Not a day, one person, one time, $100, and you can send as many as you like. So this was one option. And you can shoot from the camera directly. For example, I open camera, you see, I can shoot a picture and send it. That's right. So you can do these functions. And you can also shoot a video. This one, okay, just hold it and you can shoot a video and send it. This one, okay, just hold it, sent. So this is for one. Then you can of course make video and audio calls. You see these options here. I'm not making call because I'm on the camera, so I will not make calls. So these are beautiful functions. Later on we will talk about AliPay. So this was for WeChat. There are so many other details on WeChat, you can check around, but I like most money. See you around. Bye bye.